walking along this building line or building perimeter, this property boundary, and I'd like to show you some work that's been done. A little while back, there's asphalt here that goes around on the pavement. There's our property line. This here was replaced, and obviously there was some work underneath the pavement that was required. But a part of that work was that these TGSIs here, these directional discrete TGSIs, these guys, they used to go all the way across here to the building line so that there was a place to direct blind or people with low vision from this spot all the way over to here to the warning TGSIs where they're used as a chain of direction, and then someone's able to cross the road. Of course, that worked this way too, coming across the road. You get the change of direction. Can we go this way? Can we go straight ahead? This pad's really important. But unfortunately, the TGSIs that were here used to go all the way to there. So now it's very difficult for a blind or vision impaired person to get from here, point A, across to point B, so that they can continue their journey. So the work people here who did this didn't replace these TGSIs, and my assumption is, and in my experience, 25 years in this field, is that it probably wasn't on the work order. And what I mean by that is the works order to do whatever had to be done here and replace the substrate, which would have probably been something like make good the finished surface. It probably didn't have and replace the TGSIs. And look, I'll just get to you with the video and I'll show you that there used to be TGSIs here. So what's the deal here? Okay, well at the moment this area is now non-conforming with Australian standards and it's in breach of Vic Road's guidelines. So what does this mean? Well, it means it's unfit for purpose from that point of view, and it also means that it's not safe in its design because these very, very wide from here all the way back around here, which is the road line, the road boundary, is greater than 3 meters, and they also don't align, the curb ramps don't align with that perimeter. If I walk along the perimeter, I end up coming to here, which I'm going to wind up the middle of the road. So these TGSIs are critical. And what this means is, I just want to bring to your attention that if people are going to be doing or issuing a works order, that it does say to reinstate the TGSIs if you're going to be removing them. So if we're going to do works here, if we're going to replace the substrate, we've got to remember to put our TGSIs back in place.